Cheers, by the way. I finally made it to noon. And how you can tell in my videos is I usually have like a hot mug of, I like tea. I put honey in it. And I love coffee, by gosh. And I put vanilla and honey and all this stuff in my coffee, so it's more like a warm dessert in a mug. And then afternoon, I like to go to refreshing drinks. All right, let's get a refreshing drink. And this is my favorite. I got it free at a car show in Linden, Utah. So cheers to you guys. We made it to noon here on this Friday. Today is, it's a fine December 3rd. I almost said Friday. Friday comes soon enough. Guess what Friday is? It's my birthday. And I got some sweet friends that are going to take me. Not only are we going to go out to eat, maybe like, I don't know, some chicken ribs, maybe spaghetti factory. We'll get some spaghetti or buschetti, as kids like to say. And we're going to drive around Salt Lake and look at the Christmas lights and stuff. But yes, it is my birthday this Friday. And then it's LIVEGOOD's birthday, December 13th, just a few days after mine. All right. Now, I came out in the 60s, a long time ago. And LIVEGOOD came out 2 years ago. I am jealous. I wish I was 2 years old pooping my pants right now. But you know what? Maybe if I reincarnate, maybe we'll invent something in the back office, in the products tab, to where if you'll drink it, maybe you'll just come back as a tree or come back as me. But right now we have some cool products with LIVEGOOD, and we've come a long way in 2 years. All right, 1.6 to 1.7 million members and affiliates, couple hundred countries, $15 million a product going out every 30 days. And it's just, it's exciting growth. This is the beginning of badass. Okay, there's a lot of online opportunities out there, but there's nothing like LIVEGOOD. Even if people try to come and take us head on, it's not going to work. All right, we've already had a couple people try to come and emulate, copy blatantly, even the capture page, and trying to get on everybody's list. And hey, there's another opportunity that's bigger and better than LIVEGOOD. They're long gone. Go ahead and do your research. Do your YouTube scam video searching and watching. It ain't going to happen. Okay? There's a lot of real cool things going on with LIVEGOOD. The best part, besides making money, is the products. Okay? You need to look in the products. If you're like me, I eat tacos. I have drinks that usually have sugar or something in them. Okay? My coffee. I do sugar-free stuff, but you know what? I still eat calories. I eat breakfast cereal, which is, my gosh, it's all sugar at the end of the day. And you guys are probably like me. You know, you celebrate the holidays. Halloween, you'll have candy. All right, we just had Thanksgiving a couple days ago. Of course, you had a bunch of calories and gravy and just insane pie. Well, you know what? We're going into Christmas. We're going into New Year. There's a lot of calories and stuff you drink. All right, football and sports is so popular here in America. There's stuff called beer. Up in Canada, oh my. Over in Ireland, there might be some drinking going on with calories. You know what? You need to watch your weight. You need to watch your diabetes. You need to watch your blood pressure. You need to watch crossing the street for cars. I mean, there's a lot of things you need to watch out for. But if you're watching this video, you're in the right direction, guys. It's a great company. The ownership's awesome. You can earn money as an affiliate if you got 40 bucks. You got 10 bucks a month? Come aboard. Let me show you exactly what I do. And I beg you to do exactly what I do. It seems to work. It generates money. I have other opportunities that totally complement LIVEGOOD. It helps me build stuff, post stuff. It helps me completely get signups. I just got 3 more signups in the last 5 days. And without all my software or systems or techniques, I'm just going to be kind of spinning in snow. I live on the bottom of a massive mountain called Mount Olympus. Right up the street is Brighton and Solitude Ski Resort. I go one little mountain range down. In about 30 minutes, I'm at Snowbird and Alta. And I live about 35 miles from Park City, which is Deer Valley and some of the best skiing. And guys, I'm not going up there in a car with slicks. Okay, I might go in a 4x4 with some good traction because I'm not going to get stuck. And I'm not going to get stuck promoting LIVEGOOD because just the opportunity itself, it really does speak for itself. It sells itself. It is a beautiful piece of steak or chicken, or if you're a vegetarian, it's a beautiful blade of grass. Okay? But people have to run into it, or they have to search it or find it, or maybe you can go out and find people that are interested in healthy products for wholesale. Or myself, I started buying the Live Good products before I became an affiliate. I'm not an online guru guy that says 5, 10, 30 years, guys, I've been doing this, doing that. I know everything about online, blah, blah, blah. Well, if I did 10 or 20, 30 years ago, why am I not making tens of thousands of dollars a month or millions? I'm not going to put 10, 20, 30 years into something and then join a new company and just spin wheels. Okay? You do not have to be a guru. You don't have to have 10 to 20 to 30 years of experience to be successful. As a matter of fact, some of my downline that have no experience and they do what I recommend, they just buy a domain, they link it up somehow so when people click it, it goes to a short video and people sit back like yourself and make a decision. All I can do is invite you to watch short little videos. I mean, sure, you can call me, you can email me. I can do the best I can to just storytell. Tell you what I've been doing since about March to April of 2023. So I got about a year and a half experience, okay? But I'm making tens of thousands of dollars per month. And it's a great feeling because I do it in this exact room. This is just a man cave. I've got fridges and microwaves. I got a bunch of crazy stuff in back of me, and I put a bunch of screens in front of me. And guys, this is fun just to sit and drink coffee or maybe hot chocolate, or since it's afternoon, I got me a little swig of a nice cold drink, and they look like this. And I'm honest. I'm talking about Live Good, but guys, I have a Monster energy drink, but at least zero sugar, 0 calories. But I accidentally go, oops. I'm not going to bullcrap you guys. When I story tell, sure, I like to maybe flare it up a little bit and add some pizzazz, but you don't have to bullcrap or fake to make with Live Good. Just be honest about it and invite people to a link. Now, I'll shrink up my screen here. I think I got my business cards. Do you see right here where it says joincory.com? I bought this at GoDaddy. I think they're the best. And I paid about $11 for it. And then I forward it to a Live Good capture page. And please go ahead and just go to joincory.com now or at the end of the video. And the capture page, it's nothing more than a web page that has a 6-minute video that talks about Live Good, the products and the opportunity by our CEO. And you're either in or out. I don't have to waste your time. You're not wasting my time. Okay? And that's it. That's it. I'm done. And if you want to join, then I'm going to send you a nice email with the opportunities that I like to do to be successful. It's put me on the leaderboard. I have almost 400 people signed up. And guys, like I said, I only have a year and a half experience doing this. And the more I screw off and have fun and just talk about some nice things that might have happened to me, or maybe a sports game, like my football team's the worst in the league. They lose every year, 30 years in a row. I can whine about that all day. Or maybe talk about something fun or a good movie. But guys, you don't have to bore people to death with facts and figures about Live Good. Everything's online. You can go to livegood.com and shop just like walmart.com or Amazon. But if you want to get wholesale pricing, it's $9.95 a month. If you want to be an affiliate and make some extra money, guys, it's $40. That's it. And if you want to do what I do, and I sure hope you do, I just want you to copy me. I can't beg you. I can't plead and come to your door and just say, come on, let's do something cool. But if you want to get business cards, that's fine. You don't need them. But on a street level, I just like to have CoryDraper.com or this joincory.com business card in my pocket because my opportunities are on this card. People can just go and watch the video on their cell phone in bed, or maybe have a home computer or a laptop. And that way it's not embarrassing. If people don't want to do this business, you know how nice it is if I'm not sitting there like this. Do you want to join? And I'm in your living room. Do you want to join? Do you have $10 a month? Do you have 40? Do you want to join? And then, okay, thanks. I'm not desperate or clingy, but then I get home and call. There's just nothing worse than that style or that technique. That might have worked in the 30s when Amway came around. Tupperware, Mary Kay, Avon, New Skin in the 80s, Isogenics, Herbalife. You guys, there's a lot of companies that sell supplements, but they're MLM based. Okay? With us, I consider us like the uncola. That was 7-Up. Cola is always going to be ruled by Coca-Cola or let's say Pepsi. But back in the 70s, the uncola, it was the opposite. It's 7-Up. It's still around. And then Sprite came, and Sprite and 7-Up now fight for market share like Pepsi and Coca-Cola. But I consider Live Good like the un-MLM. We're like upside down. Instead of MLM, we're like W, weird thing in the middle, W. Because we commission on the membership side. You get $10 a month? I know you do. That's it. And we have 7 ways. Okay? And I'm not going to sit here and talk about all 7 because I'm just going to invite you to a link. Okay? You're going to go to the pay plan link at livegood.com and you're going to sit back and watch a cool video about the pay plan link. We have FAQ. You're going to go there and just read about 50 to 100 questions, frequently asked questions. That way you can sit back like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this. And just find out at your own leisure. And if you don't want to do it, it's not embarrassing. It's cool. If you don't want to do Live Good, that's cool. All right? If you want to earn money and save money, please get a hold of me or join my, I don't know if I call it a team. I just got a big group of people that seem to like my way of I don't know if it's training or teaching. I'm real good at it at this point, and it's very satisfying. I really like to just sit here and chat a little bit, and I like to host maybe a live Zoom or maybe just record stuff. And I like when you have questions, because if I get a new question I haven't thought about, you know how cool it is? I can hurry and make a video and send it out to my whole downline and have it ready to go if somebody joins me in a couple days or so with a question. Most people, they join Live Good. They have the money. $49.95, climb aboard. Configure it to your bank. Just go through the motions, get to know it. You're not going to break the website. And then you're kind of like, okay, I got some friends and family. I know how to post. But how do I be successful? I don't want to waste time. I don't want to just post a bunch of stuff and don't get any results. That's a hobby, isn't it? Okay. So that's where I come in. I send you an email and I just show you what I do. And if you want to join whatever I do, they're based on systems or techniques that you can use not only just in Live Good, but you can use if you have a pizza place or maybe a gym, you want to sell Live Good products. All right. Maybe you sell digital information on how to do something. But yeah, it's all about education and training and tools and techniques. Guys, it's 2025 in just a handful of weeks. You need to have, I think, in my opinion, a couple this and a little bit of that to be successful and Live Good. And if you are on a limited budget, that's fine, because most of the stuff that I do, you already have what it takes. You have a cell phone. You can open up any type of Instagram, Facebook, X, Twitter, MySpace. If they're still around, use them. And if you like to email, which I think everybody does because it's easy, I have about 135, 140 emails that I use. And I send out about 100,000 emails per day, not just about Live Good. I have now 7 incomes online, and they all complement Live Good. They all take care of each other. Could be a funnel system, could be a technique, could be an email. This artificial intelligence is awesome. All right. I pass the buck to an artificial intelligent thing because I do other stuff that I like. I'm not looking to retire. I love building Hot Wheels and doing crazy stuff and Suzukis. I love Suzuki Hayabusas. I have race bikes, and I'm a big fan of music. I love the band Kiss. You can probably see some Kiss stuff. You know, there's a Kiss fountain, and there's a big drum set right there. You can kind of see behind, you know, but I mean, I love to have an interesting life. Okay. And you can kind of tell I'm born in the 60s. I'm not going to go to high school. I'm not going to trade school. I'm not going to city college or college. I'm going to sit and I'm going to watch training, and I'll go pee right next door if I have to and come back and just watch. And then if I want to have a sandwich, I can take a break, go make myself a little sandwich over here off camera, come back and watch training, watch a live Zoom. And if you miss it, it's all recorded. There's so much cool stuff out there. And it's literally at the palm of your hands. Because if you're watching a phone right now, boom, you got everything. Let me just get my camera without dropping the darn thing. There's a camera there. There's a video recorder. There's is that called a VHS or a VCR? I don't even know what it's called, but man, you just hit a button and you can record. You can go live on Facebook. You can take pictures. You can do this style or this style. You can do selfies. And if you don't like doing any of this stuff, don't worry. I don't even need this thing at this point to be successful because I know how to email. Just my emails alone are quite successful, and they make a mountain of cash every 30 days. So if you're shy, that's okay. If you're retired, don't worry about it, grandpa or grandma. Or maybe you just won Powerball. But whatever your personality is, whatever your age is, I don't care where you live on planet Earth, you can do this business. Okay? So let me just invite you to watch a short video if you're not in Live Good. And if you're in Live Good, that's okay. Get a hold of me. I'll let you know what I do to be successful. And, you know, if you just go to CoryDraper.com, you can see how I average 3, 4, 5. Look, yesterday I had 400 and some odd people. You know, and these are web hits. These are individual clicks that go to my business. But isn't it nice to know that somebody clicked a few hundred times here? And look, I'm already at 100. Okay, and it's barely noon. And look, I've already had 3 signups just in the last 5 days. And it's all based upon me fishing or you searching, and you're looking for an opportunity to probably, maybe, hopefully, gobble something up and get you in good shape. Live Good, it's your answer. But if you want to earn money for real and you don't even want to worry about the products, that's cool too. I think no matter what, you're going to be drawn in by the products. But if you just want to earn money and you've got yourself 50 to $100, spend that 50 and join Live Good. Spend $11.99 and get yourself a domain. Spend 25 to 30 and get business cards. And then let's get you in an email system or a funnel system. There's like, you know, another 40 some odd bucks. So for 100 and something bucks, guys, I can really get you hauling ass. All right. In the right direction, in the right lane. Is it the yellow brick road? I don't know, but I like to haul ass. My whole life has been around fast cars and fast bikes and fast women. Although the women I hang with now, they're all made of plastic. And they all sit here and watch me because I have plastic dolls all over the place. Look at this one. This one I just bought, and it holds my business cards. Isn't that funny? Can you see? And then look, I take my Live Good business cards. And look, she conveniently holds them with her cute bum. Guys, if I could be successful promoting business cards and plastic things that are leaning over holding my business cards in a weird way, I know you can be successful. Just lighten up. Have some fun. Don't worry if you have no experience. You're almost, like I said, you almost have a better advantage than people that have been failing or trying to do things for 10, 20, or 30 years online. Okay? So anyway, I'm done. Thank you for the last 18 minutes and 10 seconds. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? I do an insane amount of videos, and I love it. It's a lot of fun for me. If you have any questions, Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can ask questions below this video, or find me on Facebook, inbox me there, and just bookmark, my Facebook page too. Okay? Can you see my little peace and love? Okay, guys. Thank you. And hopefully you subscribe and watch more videos coming up, okay? All right, CoryDraper.com or joincory.com. Just go there right now, okay? All right, thanks, guys. Talk to you later.